So today we're here at St. Elizabeth Technical High School under the initiative Laboring for Learning. It is all about empowering our young people, and so today we're here with digital education kits comprising of laptop, a smartphone with 3 months data plan. We are very excited to be here to assist you to overcome the challenge of internet service and also the technology that is needed to prepare for your exams, because from what we gather from your teachers, you possess the ability to do well at CSEC. You just needed some help. Today we're here with a laptop. We're here with a smartphone. And we know that those are useless without the internet. And so we have 3 months data plan that is paid for you as well. So Ms. Anne, on behalf of the Victoria Mutual Group, we would like to present to you this digital education kit. And we trust and we also know that you will find it very, very useful and beneficial in achieving your education.
Thank you so much.
We expect Ms. Anne to do very, very well in her exams because she would have come to us highly recommended by her principal, her form teacher, and also her other teachers.
The manager of VMBS approached us and asked us if we could identify a student who was really needy, was in the grade 11, and who would benefit from help towards accessing internet for classes and so on. Ms. Anne is one of our very outstanding students. She is currently in grade 11 and is preparing to do 9 subjects at CXC. Now for us, a normal student does 8 subjects because that is what is on the timetable. But Ms. Anne took on the responsibility of doing Spanish as an extra subject, and she has been doing very, very well. However, her socioeconomic background is a challenge to her in terms of accessing classes while school is out. And we have had to be going the extra mile to offer her support, even offering her credit so that she can access her classes. So that is why we chose Ms. Anne as the recipient for this gift from VMBS. I think that the corporate support, corporate citizen that VMBS always displays is something that as a citizen you're proud to be associated with, and when you can do what you're doing to help those who are most needy, it gives a sense of gratification that cannot be described.
VMBS would like to present you for the good work you're doing in school. And it's like the citizen you are down here, how well you're doing in the community. We want to present you for your financial learning. This laptop. This is a laptop, this is a phone, fully with a plan on it. And a laptop fully ready to help you with your CXCs. I know you're studying and you're struggling because you don't have a computer, but this will help you. So this is for you. So continue doing well, and we'll check up on you from time to time. All right? So hold on.
My name is Shay Fitzgerald. I attend the Mona High School. I am 16 years of age and I'm in 5th form, and I'll be doing CXC in July. And since this COVID thing has occurred, it has been a challenge because online class has been difficult, not having devices and so forth. I'd like to thank Victoria Mutual for giving me this laptop and phone to further my studies and to become successful. I'd like to thank my pastor for noticing me so I can accept this gift from you. Thank you.
It takes me great pleasure to give this care package to DeAndrea Anderson from the Queen School. DeAndrea is taking her C6 exams in a couple weeks' time. The Victoria Mutual Group thought of presenting this care package to 21 students across Jamaica to ensure that they are adequately prepared for the C6 exams. So you are the proud owner of a brand new laptop computer, a smartphone from Flow with some months of service, We do believe that we'll assist you in preparing for your exams. Certainly want to wish you all the best.
I would just like to say thank you very much for this gift, and I know that it will better me in my CXC subjects and that I will get all distinctions and do very well. And I also want to say thanks again for the persons who have been there for me and who's also here at this moment, my mother, and so she has sacrificed a lot for me so I could go to school and get this experience. And I hope that one day I will get old enough to give back to persons who once was like me.